Welcome to this video. It's Hannes Knechkes of Werde Musiker here, and I want to show you today in this video what I just played. It's the third part of the Smoke on the Water solo, the solo nobody knows, the song that everybody knows. And it's so much fun to play because we have so many cool licks and techniques going on here. So really make sure to watch the video till the very end and check out the other parts of this series, which are linked below in the video description. Also check out my free lessons there if you're new to the world of guitar playing. A lot of cool stuff going on there in my free lessons. A lot of music going from the start, the very first lesson we're going to do. So check that out, a lot of fun going on there too. So first let me play the first two parts, so you know where we are coming from. So. Third part. Sorry. We're going kind of like over the whole fretboard here. That's pretty fun to do. And the thing here is we have a very fast run here, which is kind of like in the same way played as we did with the run up here. So we start with the ring finger in the fifth fret of the G string. And this solo, Ritchie Blackmore played a lot of stuff in this kind of like staccato technique, which I wouldn't do it, but it's really fun to try to play it as he played it, because it's, to me, it felt a little bit weird in the beginning to play notes like this. Like, and not, you know, like a legato. But this time I think it's important to do it because it's kind of like the character of the solo and a lot of spots there. We're coming from, and then we're starting 5th fret with the ring finger, index finger 3rd fret, so it's, and then the index goes to the 2nd fret, middle finger 3rd fret, 2nd, 3rd, 2nd, open. 5, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, open. And really take a listen. It's kind of like this staccato playing. And right before we play the next run, he's making like a small dive bomb with his tremolo arm, which I have not installed. You can just do it or do a bend with your neck or something. Like this really short downwards bend. 4. One, two, three, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we do that bend on the 4. You can do that with your whammy bar here, or I can bend down the note by grabbing just kind of like behind the headstock. Don't do it too hard. Grabbing my guitar here, so you kind of like bend the neck. But if you don't want to do that, just let the string ring. So 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But if you want to do it on the 4, but then on the 1, the next bar, you have to be ready for this. So it's again kind of like this blues like we did before, but a little bit different. So we start 5th fret, G string, and then we do the 3rd fret of the B and E string, and 6th string, B string, alternate picking, so down, up, down, up, and then we do down, up, 3rd fret, E string again. Sorry. And then we go. It's kind of like we did before, as I said. 6, 5, 3, 6, 5, 3 on the B and G string. 6, 5, 3, 6, 5, 3. And then 5, 5, 3. 5, 5th fret, D string, 5th fret, G string, 3rd fret, G string with a vibrato. So the whole thing, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And then 4 times, bending in the 5th fret with the ring finger of the G string. On the last one, we do this vibrato again. So. Slower. Even slower. So this is the 3rd part of the Smoke on the Water solo. I play the solo from the top till there for you now. So, staccato, alternate picking, downstrokes, staccato, kind of staccato, 3 and 4, and run with alternate picking. So, have fun with this. If you have any problems with this because you're maybe not advanced enough to play that, don't feel bad about this. This is totally normal. This is a solo which is more for advanced players. If you're a beginner, you should check out my free lessons, which you find in the video description. But if you want to check out even more of this solo, you should check out all the other parts of this tutorial series, which you also find in the description. So, thanks for tuning in, guys, and I hope to see you in the next video, the next part of the series. I can't wait to show you the rest of the solo. Take care and see you in the next video. Bye!